So this morning, I am at the Barrie Farmers Market, filled with a bunch of small businesses doing what they love to do. They're just getting set up, everything's coming in, and people are already here to start buying. I came early because it gets very busy a little later in the morning. Yeah, so our farmers market is inside our city hall, and you probably have one maybe in your town that happens regularly. Ours is always Saturday morning, and in the summertime it's outside underneath these pavilions going running up and down the street. It's a wonderful way for small business owners to get their products into the hands of the local people, and a great way for our social and communities to get together and do things. So today, my article revisits an article shared a story about two companies. So I recommend that you go back and have a look at that. But today I want to talk to you about the two different types of leadership that were in that. One is a lead by transaction, and the other was lead by transformation. So Bernard Bass, in his research back in 1997, said that the transitional leadership is a matter of contingent reinforcement of followers. So it's a perfect way to start your relationship with your employees. You want them to do certain things, you're going to pay them, and you're going to give them a transaction and reinforce what it is that they want to do. But who wants to work in a business where someone is constantly micromanaging everything you do? A little more challenging as an employee, and it feels a lot less like you are a grown-up in your own business or in your own job. In the story I shared, this transitional relationship with their employees, that the reward that they gave was really quite generous, but it was more like it was more like a gamble. It was more random, and only the person who won the draw actually received the kudos for what they did. So it didn't matter how well you worked, or how much work you did, or how amazing your production was, or your new ideas were. You weren't getting a great reward unless you were the one who was drawn. And that is not much of an enticement to continue to do extra, because frankly, if you're not getting paid and you're only based on pay, then why would you do extra? So the second company was on transformation. And Bass talks about transformation as the moving of followers beyond their self-interest for the good of the group. Now, in this story that I shared, they gave people an opportunity to do new things, to bring new ideas, to bring their effort to the company in a different way and show up as leaders in the company. They didn't get paid more for that, but they did get paid well. So what happened was that, people who saw that they were being seen as leaders were excited to give extra, and they did that. So your goal as a business owner is to pay people well enough for them to get what they need from their job, but give them the opportunity to grow so they get what they want from life. Thanks for joining me again today, and check out the article attached.